Hi guys, now I'm going to tell you how to install Ubuntu or Linux in your Windows 11 or 10. So first of all, you need two software. First Ubuntu and second is the VirtualBox. So now I'm going to start. So first of all, Google, open your Google and now type here the Ubuntu. For the installation of the Ubuntu, you need to type here and download it. It will be approximate 4 GB, so it maybe take time. So please keep a patience. So now here type Ubuntu and just search here. Now after searching here, click on the first link which will do so here. Okay, now after clicking here, it will open. Now here is some option, enterprise developer community and download. So you need to click on the download section. So now here I click on the download section. So after clicking the download, you have to some Windows pop-up will be open. So now you can see get Ubuntu desktop here. So click on that, get Ubuntu desktop. Now after clicking on this, this pop-up will be open, and after this you can see here your Ubuntu will be display. Now you see here Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS. LTS means long term support, so you need to download this only. So for downloading, click on this download options. So after clicking the download, this pop-up will be open, and this is basically for the going to download. And now here you see your download pop-up will be open, and save this this file. And now here you can see our download will start. So here approximate you can see 4.7 GB, so you need to keep a patience during downloadation. Actually I download earlier, so just I cut this. And now second is you need to having VirtualBox. I earlier told you for the installation of Ubuntu or Linux, you have to Ubuntu and VirtualBox. So type on the Google on the VirtualBox. So clicking on the VirtualBox, just wait a minute. Now here Oracle VirtualBox will be open. Now click on that. After clicking this, you can see here your VirtualBox will be open. Okay, now you can see here sometimes of VirtualBox here like the 6.144, and at the main front download VirtualBox 7.0. so you click on the download 7.0. if you have any problem or any error for this, then comment on this. After downloading this, you need to click on the Windows host. Okay, after clicking the Windows host, your VirtualBox start to download. Okay, now I am clicking on this. After clicking on this, you will see this file will be stored or save in your PC. Now after clicking on this, my file is start to download. So here actually I download earlier, so I just pause here, and now I will open on my desktop. So here our VirtualBox look like that. Okay, after clicking that in the VirtualBox, it will open. So it will be look like that. Actually I remove this because I downloaded earlier, so I tell you how to follow this step by step. So I just remove and start from the initial. So I delete all the file. So when we install the VirtualBox, it look like that. Okay, initially it look like that. After this we have to some settings. Just I click on the machine and start new machine to create new machine. For the creating new machine, you have to do your any name, just for the file name. So just I write here my name Rajan, and now you see here types in not micro Windows, you need to install Linux. So please select the Linux. Okay, instead of this Microsoft, you choose the Linux, and for the Linux you need to the Ubuntu 64-bit. It dependent upon your laptop. It is your laptop maybe 32-bit or 64-bit. So I think mostly laptop is 64-bit, so you need to select 64-bit. After selecting this Ubuntu 64-bit, go to the next file, and after next file you see base memory and processor. So it keep approximate the base memory is approximate 3 or 4 GB, because it will take too much base memory. So in processor you have to keep your processor approximate 4 CPU. Totally it had taken 8 CPU, but you had take to 4 CPU only. So clicking on the next. So virtual box hard disk, you need to keep approximate 50 GB, more than 25 GB you need. Okay, now after clicking on that, you will show or pop up all the selection will be here. Okay, now finish here. After clicking the finish, you see all the selection will be so here. Okay, after this you need also some setting for your Ubuntu, where you can paste your Ubuntu download. Okay, now you can see here general option. In general option you can also see the your file name is Rajan and Linux Ubuntu. Go to the advanced setting and you can see the disable option, both disable one. So you need to this bidirectional means you need to if you have want to shift from the Windows to Ubuntu or Ubuntu to Windows, then it will easily. So in system you can see this, and in processor you also select the GPU CPU like that. So now go to the storage file. In your storage file it is the most important thing, so you need to keep in mind, and please don't mistake here. Okay, just click on this files, and where is your Ubuntu download file, just paste on that. Okay, open it. Okay, now you can see your Ubuntu file is pasted on here. Okay, this is the most important, so please keep it and please don't take a mistake. Okay, after clicking this you can see here your Ubuntu file is display. Okay, here your Ubuntu file is display. Now after pasting this you need to start this, and just I told you, if you have any query or any error, then don't hesitate to comment. Okay, I will resolve it as soon as possible. So after clicking on the start you will see this pop-up, and just click on the first line Ubuntu, install Ubuntu. With the help of your keyboard, just press enter. Press enter. After press enter you see your Ubuntu start now. If you follow these steps, then you no need to take any worry, or I think you never got any error if you follow the step by step. But if you having any error, or if you get any error, then tell me in comment box. I try to resolve it. Okay, just it will take time, so I pause this video here, and after it will okay, then I continue the video. Now you can see your Ubuntu will start now, look like that. I think if you ever seen your Ubuntu any desktop, so it will look like that. Okay, now it take while a minute. Now it will start, so this pop-up will be open. Okay, so install Ubuntu, click on the install Ubuntu. After clicking this, you have to select your key language from your keyboard, so it automatically English. So click on the continue, and just for the update and other software, if you want, then you can click all the tick mark, but I do only one, so do also. So click on the continue. After clicking the continue, I think erase file will be open, so no need to worry anything. Just keep patience and click on the continue. So here your erase disk installs, so no need to worry about it. Just click on the continue and install. Okay, this message will go, no need to worry, continue it. It is not erase your all the data from your laptop, no need to worry about it. Just this is the process, it is just process. So don't hesitate, or don't think my laptop all the data will be deleted or removed, so not like that. Okay, it is just pop up. So select your region. Actually I am in Bangalore, so I select the Bangalore region. According to your region, select it and just continue. After clicking this, you have to fill something about yourself, and like your username, I will just paste in here Rajan77 like that. Okay, and you need to generate your passwords, because if you start the Ubuntu, then you need to this password, so remember this password, otherwise you will take a screenshot while you enter the password and all the things. Okay, because when we start this Ubuntu it will require. Okay, After filling all the things, enter the continue. After clicking the continue, uh, it will take some times for the installation, so it will take approximate 15 or 20 minutes. So please keep patience during installation. Okay, now I pause here because I don't want to take your too much time. After installation, now I continued. Okay, so after clicking the enter, this pop-up will open. I earlier told you keep remember your name and password, all the things. So username display here, and you need to enter your password. After enter your password, just click on the enter. After clicking the enter, uh, now you guys saw here your Ubuntu installation process is done. Okay, so just skip this. Next, click on the next, and next, and done it. Okay, now you can see your Ubuntu or Linux will be installed. So just click on the here and go to the terminal or type terminal here. On the terminal you can do our coding in the Linux, all the things. I hope guys you follow all the step properly. And but one thing I also mention you, if you, I make another video for the dragging this window into whole. So I make another video how to drag it for whole window. Okay, because it's taking too much time, so I stop here. Thank you.